Hey Internet, today's lesson is ribs. So what ribs is, it's like the software version of webs and gussets. So as you can see, I've just pre-made all my extrudes and my midplane. So this is the rib function. You just select your line and we want it facing downwards, which is the correct direction. We'll leave it at 10 mil. And there you have it. That's your web. You may be wondering, why won't I just use a triangular extrude? Well, the good thing about ribs is that you can use it for non-linear things, so like rounded things. So you might have a rounded web like this. And the quick thing is, it only requires one line. So I had that one line sketch that was coincident to this edge and coincident to the surface. So you don't actually need to draw the whole triangle. You just need one line. And the same for this non-linear web as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.